Welcome to Rogue Trader. Please read the disclaimer and remember that prices can go down as well as up. So now to take a look at Jersey electricity. This is part of my Greta Gold series, and if you take a look in the top right hand corner here, you'll see a link to the main video I did taking a look at renewable energy plays. From that video I got a shortlist, and I'm doing a quick video on each of these stocks before drawing up a final shortlist where I'll be going into them in a lot more detail. So Jersey Electricity are a utilities company. They maintain the electricity grid in Jersey and sell the electricity there. They seem to be pretty much the only company able to do this, so they've got like a bit of a monopoly. And also I noticed in their annual report that 62% of their shares are owned by the Jersey government. So this really does have to be the most defensive stock you could ever find. They've got a captive audience in the island of Jersey. 62% of these shares are owned by the Jersey government, and they are a utilities company. Also, 95% of their electricity is imported directly from France. So it really is, with 3% dividends, probably the most amazing defensive stock you'll find, but not really a Greta Gold pick because they import their electricity from France. In fact, I imagine that's cheap because that's mostly nuclear energy, and as Europe plunges into an energy crisis over the next decade, I can just somehow see the prices of electricity being sold by France increasing. So looking at their books, and they're really nice and steady, their income increasing slightly, their expenditure constant and well in control, and they book a nice net income every year of 12 million. Their assets are nice and steady, and debt only constitutes 10% of their total assets. So they're in really good shape, and a very good defensive stock. So they're good to bear in mind if ever you're looking for an uber defensive stock that pays a good dividend of 3%, but they're not really what I'm looking for my Greta Gold pick, so I won't put them into my final shortlist.